Okay, so I'm kind of muttering, cool. When we see f of t is negative 16t squared plus 47t plus 3. And the reason I think that this is cool and applicable is what?
47.
No. Yeah.
Completing the square is horrible.
Yeah, completing the square on this is going to be horrible. So they're asking me to put this in vertex form. That's going to probably suck. Why do I think this problem is cool? Because of negative 16t squared. Anybody taking physics 1? No. Okay, cool. So negative 32 feet per second is acceleration due to gravity. Right? And 16 is 32 over 2, right? That's how the calculus says that acceleration due to gravity has to work. So this thing here is a falling object's position written in feet with t in seconds. So things like this show up when you do when you do an object under gravity's influence. So on this you can read gravity's acting on an object that starts at 3 and has an initial upward velocity of 47 feet per second. So there is a physics thing you can read off of this. What's that?
You said gravity was 32 feet per second.
Yeah. Feet per second. It's an acceleration. Per second squared is the same. Cool. So now I'm supposed to put this in vertex form because I want to know when the object gets to the top. You guys see that? Like, that's really the question I'm answering with this vertex form. So we're going to tough it through complete the square here. So what do you do first to complete the square?
ACV.
Yeah.
Negative 16.
Pull a negative 16, right? So I'm going to say, okay, this is f of t is negative 16 times t squared plus
47 over negative 16.
47 over put that as minus 47 over 16t,
Plus
right?
3 over 16.
And then I'm going to put a blank in here. And then I'm going to put minus 3 over 16, and I'm going to put minus a blank there. You guys all good with that? The blank's confusing? Yeah. Okay, so to complete this square, right, I need to figure out what this stuff is, right? I'm like, okay, this stuff I'm going to think of as t plus or minus something squared, right? Okay, so I'm going to think about if I FOILed something like this out, right? Out of the f term, I'd get t squared. Out of the o and the I term, I'm going to get this thing, right? The o and the I term, when you square something, are the same. So that's going to be double counted. So I need to take this, and because this is a horrible thing, I'm going to multiply by a half. So I'm going to get that this is t minus 47 over 32 all squared. Like, I'm just going to wildly claim that. It's not. If I multiply this out, I don't get t squared minus 47 over 16t plus nothing. You guys see that? I orchestrated it so I would get the 47 over 16t. But what goes here?
That number?
This number squared. You guys want to see why? Should we multiply this out quick? Okay, so let's step over here. And we'll take our t minus 47 over 32 and multiply it by t minus 47 over 32. Right? And so we're going to FOIL, right? So we're going to get out of our f term, first things times first things gets you t squared. Cool. What's your o thing? negative 47 over 32t, right? What's your I thing? Same thing. That's that double counting I was talking about.
Oh, that's what the letters are.
Yeah.
You guys forget what the letters and points stand for? Okay, what's the last?
That thing squared.
This thing times itself, right? So I got plus 47 over 32 squared. You guys see that? So when I was claiming like this stuff here turned into this thing here, I'm like fully lying, right? Because this thing here is actually all this crap. You see that? Like the t squared I'm good with, check. These two guys added together make that thing. Check, check. But I'm missing this. So what do I do?
Put it back in, make it work.
Put it in there. Force it. So put your 47 over 32 squared right here. But you can't do that, right? Like that's a bunch of bullshit. I just added 47 over 32 squared to this thing.
Subtract it.
So you got to take it back out, right? So you take it back out over here. Cool? Okay, then what?
And sit on it.
Okay, so what have I got? Right? I've got f of t, which is minus 16 times this stuff. Hang on a second.
Yeah, I got it.
Hang on.
Then
You're lost.
No, I'm
then you
Story
combine those
shut
last
up
two
for a
things
minute.
and put them at the end.
I'm figuring it out make it a little easier than what you're doing.
Because you're doing factor by
AC
grouping.
factor.
Are you getting a square?
AC factor. I'm getting getting a square. Oh, I'm just getting like it's a perfect square, almost. No, it's.
Okay, so
I did the AC factoring and I'm getting like completely out. And
yeah, so if you AC factor this thing, right?
Yeah.
What do you get?
Get 16x plus 1 times 3 minus x.
Except there are no x's in that column, so you have to let x equal
Oh, I changed it to
16t plus 1
because I
times
hate
3
it.
minus
It's the worst letter to
t?
ever use. Yes, that.
Yes? This?
Yes, that.
That's not vertex form.
But can't we use that?
That's factored form.
right.
Nah, won't do you any good. Put it in vertex form, you gotta find the vertex. Find the vertex, you gotta complete the square. Or,
But we can find our zeros, our
Yep.
x intercepts, and then from there, that's vertex.
yeah. So we could use the formula for a vertex, right? We could figure out the vertex is at negative b over 2a. That's a totally different approach, it would totally work.
I just think if I have a problem like this, where this is happening, I'm going to do that.
I would totally do that.
Okay. But look, you guys abandoned me right here at the end. I was done.
You're multiplying by like a halves and
Minus 3
like,
over 16, done.
So what I've got here, right, is I've got minus 3 over 16 minus 47 over 32 squared, right?
And you attempt to combine that if you want.
Yeah, I mean, sure, you could. But in the end here, I was supposed to end up in vertex form, right?
Yeah.
So my vertex form is negative 16 times t minus 47 over 32 squared plus whatever the heck 16 times that crap is. Times 3 over 16 plus 47 over 32 squared. Like,
Yay.
this is vertex form. This is dumb. You guys see that? Okay, so let's try the other one.
no, okay. I
No?
wasn't. I mean, yeah, you can. I wasn't arguing with you when I was saying. I was just wondering why you chose that way over the.
Yeah, so the reason I chose this way is I wanted to see this thing, right? this guy is my right shift, right? That guy is my up shift, and this is my compress and flip, or stretch and flip, really.
Yeah.
You guys see that?
Once more?
So this thing here is the before the rule stuff, right? That's your right shift. So this thing got shifted right 47 over 32 units, which is exactly the negative b over 2a, or the average of your two x-intercepts. And then it got shifted up by this last horrible number that I'm adding. And then it got flipped and compressed. And really you should do the flip and the compress before you do this shift. You guys cool with this?
Yes.
Okay, let me turn this off and we'll try it the other one.